on the kind of arguments that the NCB is going to put forward. As I said, we do not know yet what kind of seizures other than 86.5 grams of ganja that the NCB has talked about right now that have been made. If NCB says that her questioning is going to be more critical and that they still need to interrogate her to get to know the supply chain, to get to know the involvement, if at all they have more information, that perhaps it might be difficult for her to get bail. But we had word with some legal experts as well, and they maintain that when it comes to the question of ganja, the commercial quantity would be around 20 kgs. But since the duo, as of now, it looks would not have that much of an amount, it looks in all likelihood that it should not be a hard task for Bharti Singh to get bail. But it all depends. We are still awaiting a word from the NCB officials. Samir Wankhede, the zonal head of the Narcotics Control Bureau, is still inside. He is interrogating Harsh, husband of Bharti Singh. Perhaps once he comes down, we will be in a better position to have a word with him, and then we will perhaps be able to apprise the viewers better as to the kind of seizures that have been made, and because that will determine to a large extent whether Bharti Singh will be in any position to get bail or not.
Right, Pankaj, like you did mention, commercial quantity. Now here, the laws are different for those pushing and peddling drugs, and that for self-consumption here. It appears that there's about 86 grams of ganja that was seized from Bharti Singh's residence, and the fact that she's admitted to consuming that ganja, how much has she consumed? Is she a regular consumer? Did she have ganja to actually push for money, or was it for self-consumption? All that needs to be established, and like you said, this shouldn't be so hard for Bharti Singh here to get bail, considering that this looks like it is for self-consumption, is it?
Yes, absolutely. And for now, as far as the legal experts are concerned, they maintain that for now it looks that she does not have the amount that would be categorized under commercial quantity, and hence it should not be difficult for Bharti Singh to get bail. But again here, a lot will depend on the kind of arguments that the Narcotics Control Bureau puts forward. If after the interrogation of the various drug peddlers, it is able to establish in front of the court of law that her questioning, her remaining in custody is essential, or else she would be able, if she is given bail, she would be able to influence others, or she'll be able to warn others in the supply chain. Perhaps that could be a big obstacle in her path of getting bail. So it depends on what sort of evidence does the Narcotics Control Bureau has at hand. But for now, considering that only 86.5 grams of ganja has been recovered from her place, and going by the words of the legal experts who maintain that it does not fall under the category of commercial quantity, and this falls under the category of personal consumption, perhaps for now it looks that she could get bail. But it all, as I said, it all depends on the arguments that the NCB would be making, because it is clear that tough questions would have already been put forward in front of Bharti Singh as to where did she procure the ganja from, who was the supplier, and such sharp questions as well. So it does not really end with getting satisfied that she has accepted along with her husband that yes, they consumed ganja. The questioning is going to be more intense. It was 2:45 p.m. when Bharti Singh and her husband arrived at the Narcotics Control
Bureau. It's been a long day for them. Hours of interrogation and grilling there by the NCB. That's what we see. Pankaj Upadhyay, thank you very much for joining us with those details. This is going to be a long night for Bharti Singh. She's going to be at the police custody there. She will be produced before court tomorrow. Remember, reports suggest that Bharti Singh has admitted to consuming ganja, some amount of ganja that was seized from her residence as well, about 85 grams of ganja that was seized from her house, and that the fact that she's admitted to consuming ganja, she's now been arrested. She's in custody, will be produced before court tomorrow. Whether her husband faces arrest or not, we're yet to get information on that and a confirmation on that from the NCB. Coming up.